caffeine to start the day, and we're gonna start my least favorite workout, and that's legs. We got Maui in here, Ecstasy, and Dirty Dave. You love leg day?
I love it.
Ah.
It's the facial expressions for me.
A calf. No diddy.
Got me. Almost there. There's a 1 yard line in Super Bowl. Be careful. Oh, he throws the pass.
Let it out. No, you ain't. Come on, let it out. Come on, David, let it out. There's nothing in there.
What's good, y'all? So as you can see, we had a great workout, leg day. The sleds killed me, but overall, great time with the guys, being able to live with them and everything. Just kind of pushes you and motivates you more, especially today. I did not want to wake up to go to the gym today, but we made it happen. We got there. Getting there is half the battle, but we got there. So today, I didn't have any breakfast. I'm going to be fasting today. I know I had that Monster, but other than that, just water, H2O all day today. And the reason why I'm fasting is I have something in my life that's going on, and I'm a firm believer in prayer and fasting. And so I really need God's favor for this issue or this thing that is going on. And I just want to contend for that. So I want to contend for this not problem, but this situation in my life that's going on. So today I have church tonight. I play guitar, for those who don't know. I've mentioned that in previous vlogs before. So got church tonight. And yeah, other than that, you know, we'll get you guys some barbershop clips here, show you some of the tools, and let you guys get some of those vibes going on for the shop. But I have a 9:45, and I think I have like 7 or 8 appointments today. So it's going to be somewhat of a busy day. So I'm excited, always excited to make money. And if you're not at the shop, you're not making money if you're a barber. So encouragement to all those out there that, you know, are barbers coming up. You want to make sure that you are at the shop. The best, what do they call it? I read this quote, the greatest, I'm gonna put it somewhere else in this video, but the gist of it is that availability is your biggest asset if you have a business. So make sure you are at the shop. So I'm at the shop. Let's get to it. I just got done with work. We are gonna get changed up and head to church. Looking forward to church tonight. It was a pretty quick day. Like, I had a lot of haircuts and a lot of good conversations. 4 water bottles deep, no food yet. Yeah, but overall, great day. Can't complain. A lot of my clients are a lot of return clients. So today was all just my regulars. I didn't have any new clients today, but tomorrow I do have a new one tomorrow. So we'll see how that works out. You know, sometimes I ask for a deposit just so that we can secure that spot. Sometimes I'm just like, whatever, leave it alone. If that person doesn't show up at the time, I could go take a quick lunch break at home with my wife or something like that. But let's get home. Here is tonight's outfit with the black shoes and the khaki slacks. Let's get to church. What's good, y'all? That'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This is day 10 in the books, so I'm extremely excited about where we're going still. You know, I still got the motivation to do it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed a lot of the footage we got from the shop today. Also incorporating a lot of my my coworkers as well, the barbers in the shop, as we went out to the gym together. So they're there every morning. Just sometimes I can catch them, sometimes I come a little later, depending on when I drop my kids off, or sometimes I can't make it to the gym till the evening because just different things. So it's always nice to catch them. Got great conversations with those guys when we're lifting, and it's just an overall good time, motivation. As you heard, you know, when I was pushing the sled, my boy Luis is just like, hey, you know, fourth quarter, you know, just little things like that push you to want to do your best and to just continue to push forward. So shout out to those guys. Appreciate them for the motivation that they give me, and I appreciate y'all for tuning into this vlog. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. Till next time, God bless.